This is our friend Shirley. She's the bird lady. Hence, look at this. A baby cedar wax wing. Isn't that beautiful?
Have to feed worms to over my shoulder?
I can hold them. Or you can hold them, whatever you want.
Where is he? Oh, there you go. Can you videotape him if you're holding him?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'll upload this to YouTube.
Say goodbye to the worm. The YouTube thing cracks me up. My cousin in England can look at it, John.
Absolutely, that's why we're on it.
Okay, so here are disgusting worms. Anybody who knows me realizes what a sacrifice I'm making here. Oh, got a lousy shot. Ugh. Okay, baby, it's coming. Ugh.
Isn't that fun?
Okay, I gotta give him berries.
I'm just going to stop for a sec.
Hang on a second.
I'll come around the other side.
Shit on it for sure.
Nope, not yet. I'm just going to restart it.
Sorry, John. You got a multitask around here.
Where's my hand?
You
Where's
got
the
it?
button?